Okay, for Business Pointers Overview, today we are going to go over our production module. So what we're going to start off with is a quick overview of the architecture for the system. So our architecture includes 4 key parts. The first part is the workbench, and that's going to integrate with your Outlook and other email providers. What the workbench does is it pulls your alerts from the system. It'll also pull your calendar information for you from Outlook. Then we have the administration section where we do our basic setup. This will be a super user only section. It's going to cover information such as what element types you're using for your MRP, what your processes are, what machines you're using, what shifts you have, what bill of materials you have, what routes you have, and what production methods you are using. You'll also have access to a set of generic reports, and you'll also have access in that section to our BI tool, which is a built-in query designer for you, and it'll let you make your customized reports. And the final part of the architecture is the dashboard, which will give you a real-time visual representation of what data you have in the system. So you'll have full access to sales and production forecasting, so you can either do your forecasts and production based on past sales or future sales, or you can do those actually based on those sales orders you bring in. So you'll be able to do your full interactive planning based or referencing those sales orders. It'll let you do your planned orders. If you do not have the materials currently to make that, it's going to let you go ahead and make those purchase orders to get those materials once those materials are in, or once those materials have been created. If you are going to make those sub-items, then you can go ahead and do the production order. You'll also have full capacity planning. You'll be able to keep track of how much time is free on your machines and allocate that time to your new projects. You'll have a planning board, which will give you a full view of each project and what stage it is and who's working on it, what machines are being used, how close it is to being done. And you'll also have your master scheduler, which will allow you to schedule those people to work those machines and those jobs. You'll also be able to do your receipts and issues from production, and you'll actually be able to do a serial and batch number along with those, so you can have full traceability throughout the system. We also have a quality control module where you'll be able to keep track of your templates and all control methods. That includes our overview today of the production module. Thank you for joining.